Hey there! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is a new tutorial series. In this video tutorial, I am going to introduce some techniques to learn coding effortlessly using robotics and coding together. We are using a robot from mBot. You can buy it as a kit and assemble a robot. It is very simple. All assembly instructions are given along with the kit, and there is an app you can download from the App Store into your mobile phone or tablet, and you can start coding the robot and you can view exactly how the things are working. Please watch the video. If you have any questions, please post a comment and I welcome your suggestions too. This is the coding interface. This is a graphical user interface for the coding part, and we have a robot which is working according to the program which we have coded in our system. The coding is done completely through blocks, so it is designed for the beginners. Anybody can start coding without having any experience in coding because it is starting from the very basic. Initially, the robot will be able to understand only few set of commands that is given as blocks, such as turn left, turn right, move forward, move backward. By using these 4 instructions, you can control the robot. So the program practice questions are given as a set of puzzles. You can see the puzzle on the top. Once you finish it, click run and the robot will respond to your instructions. If your program is correct, then you will get a amazing win tone which is popular in all our games. And if suppose it is wrong, it will give a wrong message. So you can correct it and you can run it again. The advantage of this method is that is mainly when we do programs, most of the exercises given for the learners are not really connected to their life, or which is totally irrelevant or not really interesting. But this is something a student, a learner can visualize what is happening when a command is given. If you give 10 right, you can see that robot physically turning right in front of you. So computing, coding, robotics integrated, and you can learn coding and robotics effortlessly. This product is from mBot. You can get the kit from the website and you can assemble it. Assembling is very simple. You don't have to use any kind of soldering. You can just fix different units including the motors, chassis, wheels, tires, the processor block, the battery, and finally when you turn it on, it is ready to work. You can interface this robot mBot. mBot is the name of the robot. You can interface it with your mobile phone through Bluetooth. So once if it is interfaced with your mobile phone, when you give instruction, the robot starts working. Even before starting with the coding, if you want to just try running the robot using the program, it is also possible. You can just go to the play mode and you can drive the robot using the mobile phone as a joystick. Or there are patterns by which robot will be following. That is, you can draw the pattern of the path in the mobile phone and the robot will follow the pattern. So they have given all the features for a beginner to learn coding effortlessly interesting. You can see it is the messages given in the screen are very simple, very funny, very attractive way to attract a child coder. As there is no need of coding manually, it is very easy for the beginner. You just have to use the blocks which is already given or modify it by changing the direction or whatever at the beginning. And once if you finish one set of puzzle successfully, you can go to the next level. You can unlock the next level and you can do the program which is given in the next level. So there are coding challenges given step by step. All of them are really useful, interesting. And the most important thing is, by doing this way, effortless way, you can do almost everything, every programming construct used in a modern programming language. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. Please post your suggestions and questions. Thank you.